2005 BMW Z4 3.0 Roadster with the Sport and Climate package. It has the heated seats, sport suspension, pretty rare color combination with the top. 51,000 original miles. Cosmetically and mechanically in like new condition. Needs nothing. This is a sport package, so it has the upgraded wheels and tires. Fog lights. Top is like new. Power windows, locks, mirrors, obviously. $51,190 miles. Heated seats, so it has the climate control package, sport package. Everything works on the cluster. We have all the keys, owner's manual, Carfax report, no accidents. Now we're going to show you the the soft top convertible. Show you how it works. It works just fine, up and down. No issues. (2005) BMW 3.0 Roadster with the climate and sport package, 51,000 miles in like new condition.